Hey guys, welcome to another vlog, and today in this vlog we are going to prepare a healthy breakfast. So let's see what I eat every day. It's the same thing, no change, but it's so healthy. Stick till the end so that you see the best ingredients I add in my breakfast to make me healthy. We are starting with the apple. I will remove the seeds. I'm in a PG and it's difficult to cook every time because there is no proper place to cook. I have to cook here on the floor, so it's the easiest and healthy meal that I prepare every morning. Sometimes I go out to eat, sometimes I prepare here because it's not convenient, and even to wash the dishes it's so hard because I have to go to the washroom and I don't feel good to do the dishes in the washroom. And if you are staying in a PG, I hope you understand how it is, right? And I don't want to pay extra for the food. Although we get food from the PG itself, I don't want to pay extra because it's not healthy, and I don't know how they prepare as well, if it's hygienic or not. I have chopped the apples, one full apple and banana. I love bananas. If you are staying in a PG, please share your meal experience, what type of foods you eat, in the comments. And I have soaked raisins and some dry fruits, so I will add this. Without dry fruits I don't like my oats. And here we go, and we have this whole grain wheat. There are different types of oats, so I only take whole grain wheat. Adding a few of it, and we get this cut. I think it's 200 grams in only 13 rupees. And let's see, we don't have storage here, we don't have fridge, so it's better to bring this small pouch. It only costs 13 rupees and I use it at once, so that if I want again, I can again get another one. Every morning I take one cut, and this is how I eat my breakfast. And we have honey, and it's time to enjoy. And this is my table for now. When you are away from your home and you have limited resources, you have to make the most of everything you have. Like this bucket, it's also used for washing clothes, because I usually don't wash my clothes in washing machine. I go for morning walk and I come back, I take shower and I immediately wash my clothes and dry, because I don't like to keep my clothes store it for a long time and wash at once. And yeah, the meal is ready. Loads of fruits. I don't like the taste of apple when we mix it with oats, but it's healthy, so I take it. I like bananas more. It's so yummy, so healthy. Okay guys, let me enjoy my breakfast. You guys also prepare healthy breakfast and enjoy. And yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and turn on the notification so that you receive all the updates, all the videos. Okay, and see you in the next vlog. Bye bye, have a good day.